Hi everyone, my name is Marthina. I am an author of a book called Building in Excellence, which is best-selling, okay, by the way. I'm also an excellence life coach and I'm a public speaker. So some key takeaways from the women's session that I ran was dispelling the myth of compromise in leadership, and how as leaders we have values and we need to keep to those values. But also in theme with excellence starts from within. And so if you hold integrity, if you hold these core values that actually build you up in your day-to-day, then your leadership will be a reflection of that. And my goal essentially was to make sure that every single woman that left that session was really empowered to feel like a woman of excellence. And that starts from within. So it was a lot of dispelling the myth of compromise, identifying excellence in leadership, and then practically what does that look like in your day-to-day. I came because I needed to step out of my comfort zone. This is my first retreat of the kind. I've never been to a retreat like this before. I'm quite introverted, and I was saying to one of my friends that I'm actually quite nervous coming because I don't know how I'm going to interact with everyone. It's just a very new space. But coming, speaking to different people, it's so important because you never know who you're going to meet. You never know what type of conversations you're going to have. And there are people in this retreat that I would have never met outside of the retreat. I'd have probably not put myself out there or vice versa. And I think as leaders, you have to network because there are people who might lead you or people who you might lead that you might not meet if you don't come to retreats like this.